We are gonna need interpreters. I don't know if they've got.
She's here.
Good.
Who? Yeah, hike. All right, thanks. Buenos dias, everyone, and good morning. We're ready to start our morning arraignments. While we wait for Vivian to come in, let's take our non-Spanish speaking case first. Ryan Jenkins, would you come up to the podium, please? Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Are you Ryan Curtis Jenkins?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Jenkins, you got a ticket on February 23rd for driving with a suspended license and no proof of insurance. Those are written under Sturgis ordinance. Let's take a look at them. You got stopped at 9 o'clock in the morning at Centerville and South Street in Sturgis. Driving suspended is a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. You're driving around with expired plates, no insurance, and your license is suspended. You have $860 worth of previous unpaid fines. No valid operator's license in 2019, you owe $150. Impaired driving in 2020, you still owe $170. And a previous driving suspended charge from 2021, you owe $570. So we add that up to $890. This shows the third time you've been driving without a license. You haven't paid the fine for the two previous cases, which means jail is in your future. There's no sense giving you a fine if you aren't going to pay it. So if you get convicted of this, I don't know what my options are. I'm not going to give you another fine that you aren't going to pay. I see you had somebody bring you here today. But do you still live in Three Rivers?
No, I moved over to Sturgis back with my wife and kids.
All right, so now you're on Cato Lane.
Yeah.
Are you on the lease?
Not yet. No, we're re-signing one. It's
Well, you
due
better be
this
careful. You're
month.
gonna get her kicked out if you're living there off book, but you can fix that. So are you employed?
No, I'm waiting on an acceptance letter. Should be any day now. I just went and took an interview and a weld test this week.
All right, well, in light of the fact that you don't pay your fines for 6 years, and this third time you've been charged with driving suspended, there is a possibility you could go to jail for this. So I think the wisest choice might be to get a lawyer to help you with this and set it for a pretrial. Let's take a look at why you're suspended. But it's like you just don't care. Your driver's license still shows Coon Hollow, and it shows that you're revoked.
Can I say something?
Yes, sir.
It's not that I didn't want to pay. Prior to 2023, yeah, I was hell bent on not paying nothing, didn't care. I got in trouble, entered the Swift Insure program, completed that, was here every month, I paid all them fines off, and when I went to the clerk up there, they said the fines were paid. So I was under the impression that my fines were all paid.
Yeah, your circuit court fines were, but not your district court ones.
Because if I'd have known that during the program, I would have been paying on it.
Yeah, that's a case of the right hand not knowing what the left hand is doing. Well, you're gonna know now.
Yeah, I know now.
So you can't drive. You got a lot of baggage, a few tons worth on your driving record. it's gonna be difficult for you to get a license, but you can't drive. And I think, do you have any objection to me getting a lawyer for you?
No,
When did you do Swift Insure?
I got off in October 25.
All right, usually they look at unpaid stuff, but apparently they didn't.
So it'd be all January, March, April, from May of 24 all the way till October 25.
They don't have Swift Insure anymore. I thought it was a good program, but the feds in the state pulled the plug on the funding. Oh, this is an ordinance case. Mr. George is going to be available on the 27th of March, which bumps us all the way to May 1. Here's a list of what you owe. I'm gonna have the court officer take you out to the counter and get a court appointed attorney. Don't drive anymore. They take care of this. I'll see you on May 1st at 1 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
May 1st is Law Day. Traditionally, we would do the Law Day ceremony on May 1st, but we're gonna be swamped. So we may need to move Law Day to Thursday, April 30th.